Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to change FIFA Mobile graphics settings. In order to do that, open your FIFA Mobile application on your mobile device. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are in the main menu of the game, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon located at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see a graphics option. Tap on the pencil icon right next to graphic in order to open up this interface. Right next to the graphics settings, you'll be able to see several menus. Depending upon the options available, you may have a different graphic settings to choose from. Some of the common settings might include low, medium, high or ultra option at the top. Choose the setting that best suits your preference and your device's capability. And after you are done making your selection, tap on the save button at the bottom right. Once the graphic settings has changed, you will need to reboot your game to apply the changes. Tap on OK and relaunch open FIFA Mobile game on your mobile device. Now, you can simply restart the game, close off the application completely and launch it open again. You'll be able to change your FIFA Mobile graphics setting. It is that simple. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video like this. Goodbye till then.